Hello all. So as you can see here, today morning a rat had bitten the vacuum hose of our car. It's completely gone. So we have to replace this immediately. So replacing this is a very simple one. On top of that hose, you can see a hose clip. Just loosen that hose clip and pull the pipe out. It will come out. Similarly, on the other end, the same sort of clip would be there. So just loosen it and pull the pipe. It will come out. So once you have taken this pipe, take this pipe to the nearby automobile shop and buy a hose of same diameter. That is the hole that this pipe has, right? It should be the same. So I bought this one. I bought around 1 meter, which costs around only just 40 rupees. And then you have to place it in the same way that we have removed it. I have already fixed it. And just add a hose clip over there. With this, our issue got fixed. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.